Hey everyone, it's Brian over at Resio, and today I'm going to be walking through how to use Mason 2.0 to prep you for a client meeting to understand what items still need to be approved and any outstanding tasks. So, what you're going to want to do is go up here in the upper left hand part of your screen and ask Mason what outstanding approvals need to be made. And when you ask Mason this, it's going to pull that data directly from the project level that you're on. So in this case, I'm on Dylan Horn's custom home. And we'll give Mason a couple seconds here, and it'll give you a quick overview of selections that need to be made, any purchase orders that need to be approved, and then it'll give you a brief synopsis of what's already been completed. So in this case, a change order and a purchase order as well. I hope this helps, but feel free to reach out to the team if you have any other questions. Thanks.